Okay, so if you're watching this video, you're trying to see if your hypothesis was correct after I showed you the cloud in a bottle trick. And either I did it in person in class, or maybe I showed you a video of it. I'm not sure. But what I usually did, or what the people do on the video, they put in a little bit of liquid inside of a bottle. It's clear, and you probably assumed that it was water, and kind of moved it around and swirled it around and got some evaporation going. And if you didn't realize it, that's what was happening. That's why I shook it around a little bit to get the particles changed to a gas a little bit, get some of that gas particles going. And then I pumped it full of air, and I increased the pressure. And then after I released that pressure, all of a sudden, very quickly, we ended up with a cloud in the bottle. So what happened here? Well, the process, it should have tipped you off when you saw the word cloud. The process is the process of condensation. Okay, so hopefully you have that written down in your paper as part of your hypothesis as to what happened here. And the mechanics of it was that, again, this liquid, I swirled it around and I made all these gas particles, and I increased the pressure. And when I increased the pressure, I also increased the temperature. Alright, when you increase the pressure, it starts to get hotter in there. I'm forcing more molecules into this bottle, and they're bumping into each other harder and faster, and so that friction is going to increase the temperature. Then, suddenly, I quickly release that pressure, and so since the pressure went down, then very quickly the temperature went down. Okay, and we've talked about condensation before, and if you've forgotten, you can watch the video that I made about condensation. That gas has a lot of that heat energy, and when it loses that heat energy, it will turn into a liquid. So the high temp was associated with the gas, and the high pressure also was associated with the gas. And then when it changed suddenly and quickly, and I took the valve off and I let the air out, it quickly dropped pressure and dropped temperature, and we went quickly from a gas to a liquid, and that was the formation of our cloud. Alright, so hopefully you were correct in your hypothesis, and you knew exactly what was going on there. I'm sure you did.